As we approach the summer of 2023, it seems more and more likely that the highly anticipated iPad Pro M3 will be coming out in 2024. Today, let's go over the details about this upcoming device, including its features, design, expected release date, and price. But first, let's do a quick recap of where we are with the current iPad lineup. Currently, all iPads share the same design language, and the iPad Air and iPad Pro range feature the powerful M1 or M2 chips. In late 2022, the M2 chipset was introduced to the third Apple device, and early 2023 saw the launch of the brand new M2 Pro and M2 Max, which were also included in the new MacBook Pros and Mac Mini. By equipping the iPad Pro with the M2 chipset, Apple secured its position as the most powerful tablet on the market, offering a great alternative to the MacBook Pro and MacBook Air. Now, let's talk about the next iPad Pro. A new report from TechGrave suggests that the chipset powering the next generation of iPad Pro models has been delayed until 2024. This is a significant setback, and it means we won't see any M3 devices until at least next year. This news is quite disappointing, but let's dive into other rumored features of the iPad Pro M3. One report suggests that the iPad Pro M3 could come with an OLED display for the first time, replacing the current LCD and Mini LED displays. OLED displays, like the ones found in the iPhone 14 models, offer improved clarity, vibrant colors, and brighter visuals. However, OLED screens are more expensive to manufacture, so it's possible that the iPad Pro's price may increase as a result. This could be good news for those seeking a better display, but it also raises the question of whether Apple will redefine iPad OS and introduce its own Pro apps to fully utilize the new screen. Before we proceed, I want to emphasize that leaks and rumors can sometimes be inaccurate. While previous leaks for other Apple products have turned out to be true, it's important to keep in mind that nothing is 100% confirmed until Apple officially unveils the product. However, if you're like me, you're curious about what the next generation iPad will be like and what the latest leaks and rumors suggest. Let's talk about the potential release date for the iPad Pro M3. In 2022, the iPad Pro M2 was announced through a press release with a short video on October 18, and it was released a week later on October 26. Previous years saw spring events in April, but due to various factors, such as COVID and chip shortages, the M1 iPad Pro wasn't available until the end of May that year. Based on the current situation, with no M3 devices on the horizon, it's likely that we won't see the M3 debut until October or November of 2023. The actual release may happen in early 2024, following Apple's pattern of updating their entire line of devices first. So, we might see the M3 MacBook Air, M3 13-inch MacBook Pro, and possibly the iMac M32 before the new iPad Pro is released, possibly in March 2024. Now, I'd like to provide a summary of what to expect.